What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to do a quick recap of my trade for today. So overall, I'm gonna start off with Pandora. Man, I really botched this trade badly today. I botched it bad. I still came out with a profit, only $70. Not too much. So if you dirt the live action, I was commentating about it. It popped, and I saw that it was gapping up really big. So before the market opened, I was saying that I was gonna Pandora off of the 9 level, but I saw it couldn't spike that far up. Once it started getting weak, I started putting in a short position. I actually ended up messing up my first short position, ended up getting it at like the 799, and it spiked, and I started adding at the I think 807, and I add some at the 821 and at the 817, but overall I end up getting my average up to like 810. So when I got my average up to 810, and I covered my shares at the worst possible time. I actually covered it when it did this little perk up here. Actually, right around here. Like roughly right here. Did that, you see that long, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. When it perked up there, it perked a little bit, then it came back down. I covered like at 807. Then as soon as I covered, immediately this thing crashed and went down to the 780s. So I was dead on as far as with my short. I just wasn't patient enough to just hold it. And the reason why that I figured to short Pandora is because the other day, just yesterday, I mean, it finished up at like $6.62. So all these sellers that sold there, they were going to keep the stock down. So they were not going to allow it to be able to break out in most cases. And plus there's a whole bunch of resistance right above here, and that's why I was going to play it off of the 9, because it was gapping up huge and it had a quick spike in the morning. So normally when the stock have a quick spike, it tend to retrace and start fading through the rest of the day. And that's the whole mindset that I had for the whole day. You know, I was gonna hold this for the whole day and just ride in. But I got impatient, you know, right around like 10 something. I got out of the trade. So you can see here, only $70 profit, and this was potentially, you know, over $1,000 based on my level and where the stock is at now. So I left a lot of money on the table. Next trade that I did, actually twice. TCS. TCS is earnings. If you wanna see the earnings, you just go to Yahoo Financing, and you'll be able to see it. So this stock gapped up big, but it had a couple of things going for itself. Had news and plus. So during the live trade of it, I said I was gonna wait till the stock hit the 9 and come back and confirm. So right around here, it break past the 9. Then I started buying it think my first order was at like 907 on the dip below, so I got it some more 90 something, and I was adding on the 8 because it kept going over and under, so I figured it was gonna do that, consolidate for a while, then it was gonna ramp up. So it did do the ramp up, and I end up selling for about 30 cents a share. Made a quick $600 something profit off of it. Then my next trade came from it after towards the market close, being the fact that it's an earnings winner, and I saw that it was closing near to its high. I end up getting a share right around here. I think my average is like 964 or something like that, or 950 something. But I'm holding this overnight, hoping for a gap up. Since it is a breakout, it may break out, gap up to like the 10s. I wanted to go huge on this, but my system crashed right during the last couple of minutes of the market closing, so I couldn't even come back to buy more shares. So as you can see with this, currently right now on the position, I'm down $75, but overall for the day it was $530. It was 6 something, but since I'm down from my last buy of it, it dropped my profit and loss for the day here. But hoping for a gap up tomorrow. If not, just sell really quickly and just take a quick loss. But other than that, those were my trades for today. So feel free, to leave a like, subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna go live again tomorrow, probably around 9:15, after I get my the stocks that I'm watching, so that way I can commentate 15 minutes before the market open, so that way you could know what I'm planning to do. And one thing about the stock market, you gotta be really nimble. You gotta be able to go long, go trade, because actually for this, I had wanted to short it, but there was no shares available to short. Luckily there wasn't, or else I would have, took a quick loss. So my position on this stock changed from one to short it to end up buying the breakout. So this is Vlad signing off. Catch you guys tomorrow.